Antibacterial Cleaning Sponge 4PCS. Our antibacterial cleaning sponge is the antimicrobial and hygienic alternative to your regular, smelly sponges. It is made of environment-friendly silicone, which is BPA-free and FDA-approved. Antibacterial cleaning sponge doesn't allow bacteria to grow, never smells, always fresh clean. Antibacterial cleaning sponge is heat-resistant, so it can be easily sanitized using dishwasher, microwave, or even just boiling water. Plus, they last for years. You won't have to think about new sponges or old smelly bacterial-infested sponges anymore. These will be the last sponges you ever need to buy. Features: 1,000s of fingers. Deep down cleaning for the really clean result. Super flexible, easy access to even the most awkward areas. Powerful cleaning. Sparkling cleaning results in your kitchen, bathroom and more. Studs machine. Really suds ups for powerful cleaning results. Colorful cleaning. Brighten up the kitchen and bathroom. Sanitize. Easily sanitize in the dishwasher, microwave or even boiling water. Specifications: suitable for cleaning dishes, makeup brushes, hair, opening jars, etc. Material: silicone. Size: 4.92 inches x 2.75 inches by 0.59. Ring stainless steel kitchen cloth.